Hey Diddy Gang, today I'm going to show you how you can become a B-Storm Pro like me. First thing you want to do is go ahead and collect some pollen.
Attention, attention. Listen up, listen up, listen up. It's time to party. It's time to.
Oh no, my capacity is full. Well, if you want to solve this problem, I got the trick for you. You can come over here to your hive and convert your backpack. Almost there, and finished. Now what you're going to want to do is gamble all of your money. We hit the jackpot. Now that you got all the resources in the world, you can make one of these. Now that you got a bunch of those, let's pop one. We popped it. Now let's see how much we make. I made 1 quintillion. Wow, amazing. Subscribe if you don't want this to be you and that to be Diddy.